All right, so you guys don't need us to tell you that it's a really good time to be a Louisville beer drinker. Between all the new breweries, all the new beers out on the market, all the special releases that are coming out, you're doing pretty good as a beer geek here in the Louisville area. One special release that we want to share with you guys that's coming up is happening here at Cumberland Brewery just about 1 week from today. This coming Saturday, February the 2nd, they're releasing the... Are you okay, man?
I'm freezing.
Why are you sitting outside?
What are you talking about? The beer release.
The Kentucky Krunk?
Yeah, Barrel Aged Kentucky Krunk.
You know that's coming out this Saturday.
Yeah, I'm trying to be first in line.
Well, I think you're first in line. We're about to go inside and talk to the brains behind Kentucky Krunk. Do you want to come inside and warm up?
Am I gonna lose my spot in line?
I guess so. No savesies.
No, I'm good.
I'll bring some out for you.
Cool, thanks.
Most all of you know J.D. Vasher. He's been a prominent member of Louisville's homebrew and craft beer community for years. But did you know that he's now stepped in as the in-house brewer at Cumberland Brews and has been cranking out some absolutely phenomenal stuff with his first big special release on the horizon? Well, we had to get in there and see what it was all about.
Yeah, Kentucky Krunk is a big barrel-aged stout that I did. Took half of it, put it in a freshly dumped charred oak barrel, and it's been sitting in there for about 2 months.
Heck yeah, man.
So.
Well, I've had a lot of your beers, on a smaller scale, but it's really cool. Is this a recipe that you kind of tweaked as a home brewer, or is this kind of a new creation?
Yes and no. Everything is kind of new.
Yeah.
I have a hard time doing the same thing twice. It's an evolution of other beers that I've done, and take things I like and try new methods. And each recipe, even if I have it, it's still starting from scratch.
Yeah, so it's a kind of cool marriage.
Yeah.
You want to crack this thing?
Yeah, sure. This is actually, so this will be the first bottle cracked.
Nice. Cheers. Your pale is great too, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, that looks really good. Cheers, man. Thank you. So right off the bat, the nose is incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Like a big kind of coffee, but then it's immediately like chocolatey nibs, and then I get the booze coming through. You said it was an oak barrel, but it wasn't bourbon. It was
a bourbon barrel, but it had sat a little while, so I wanted to make sure there was no leaks. So I poured in some apple brandy, swirled it around in there for a couple days, dumped it out, and then added the stout to it.
Heck yeah.
So.
Well, cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that was really good, dude. Holy shit. Okay,
Yeah.
Creamy, it's thick, it's coat your mouth. And you said this is like 12%?
Mm-hmm.
So I wouldn't say I taste a bunch of booze, but I feel it a little bit down here. So it has a really nice warming sensation as it kind of works its way in. This is really good, wow. So obviously a lot of dark roasty stuff. You want to give us the highlights of the recipe?
Yeah, I can give you the rundown. It's it's 45 pounds of wheat, which came out
that does, I think, show through in how creamy it is.
And then it's got a hodgepodge of other things, chocolate and roasted barley and debittered. But it's really not that complicated of a recipe. It's pretty straightforward.
Well, we were talking about this the other day, and that a lot of the times big stouts are kind of unidimensional, especially these days, and they might feature something that you could also buy at a bakery or something like that. This is, I wouldn't say a novelty stout. This is a really, really solid, really good.
I think so.
Barrel aged, this stacks up against any of the best ones I've had.
I'm happy with it, and it was actually the third beer I did on the system.
Really?
So,
wow, well, that's impressive, man. Oh, so everybody needs to try this one. We'll put all the details about the beer release. About how many bottles do you think there will be for people to get?
Should be about 150 bottles available.
It sounds like a lot. That's not going to last long.
No.
So get out here early. Drink early and often on this stuff. Are y'all going to have it on tap, or is it bottles only?
It's going to be bottle only.
That's great. Well, congratulations, man. That's really, really cool. Kind of a nice, I wouldn't say feather in your cap, but kind of a nice milestone for, the brewery career. The first time you have something this big and special come out, that means something.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks for letting me try it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Make sure you guys don't sleep on this one. We'll see you at the release. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, man. The complexity, too. It's just so round, but not...
So,
Yeah.
I don't like porters, but he's convincing me. Now,
The whole premise could be that you went and tried it, and now it's warm. No, and it's so good that now you're like,
I'm in line. Exactly. Yeah.